Hi there, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain you 4 different stocks that you need to buy now to have great returns in 2025. And I'm also going to explain you why these stocks can be a game changer for you. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into. The first stock in the list is First Solar, and their stock decreases from $240 to $185, and that creates a golden buying opportunity. After the election, their stock drops 15% as investors thought that Trump will cancel all the rebates and incentives on First Solar that will decrease their demand. But Trump imposed 25% of tariffs on anything coming from outside. So before the election, they had competition from cheap imports from China. But now, because of the tariff, that will increase the price of the solar that's coming outside of the country, and it will increase the demand of First Solar. They recently opened a new factory in Alabama, and they are expected to open another factory in Louisiana by early 2026. Also, they have contract of 73.3 gigawatts of solar panels to be delivered through 2030. Also, they have a benefit from government incentive like Inflation Reduction Act, also called IRA, that support clean energy in US. So this helps to stay competitive against cheaper imports from countries like China and India. So according to me, First Solar is 30% undervalued, and this recent dip creates a golden buying opportunity for the stock. The next stock on the list is Uber Technology, and currently trading at $62 per share. It was at $87 per share early this year, and this is 30% decrease to 62, and this is the buying opportunity that we all have been waiting for. So you know what to do. You need to buy the stock at this price so you don't miss this opportunity, and you will easily gain 30 to 40% in this year in 2025. So Uber Technology is just not a ride-hailing company anymore. They have 25 million subscription for Uber One. Those are the loyal customers that come back to Uber. Also, the revenue of Uber surged to $11.19 billion in Q3 alone. That's 16% increase year over year. Also, their gross booking has increased to 41 billion. That's 16% increase year over year. So they are increasing in every section. Also, Uber has some great partnership with many companies. Some of them include AV Ride, Waymo, Costco, and partnership with AV Ride. We can see that their robots are delivering through Uber Eats in the city of Austin, and they have planned to expand in the city of Dallas and New Jersey by the end of 2025. Partnership with Waymo for the autonomous vehicle. They have expanding their partnership in the city of Austin, and they are coming to Atlanta in 2025 as well. And partnership with Costco, they are offering big discounts to the members of Costco. So Uber is doing some great partnership with big companies, and at this price, $62, this is the golden buying opportunity, I would say, and you need to buy the stock to have 30 to 40% of easy return in next year. The third stock in the list is AMD. The 2024 year for AMD has been a rough year so far. Many stocks in the tech world, especially in AI, has been booming, but AMD at the same time is decreased. And after their earning report, the stock price fell another 10%. And it's not because the earning report was bad. It's because the future revenue forecast was lower than expected, and markets reacts to it. But why I'm still buying AMD stock? The first reason is AMD server chips. So the AMD server chips that are used in data centers are more efficient, more faster, and more cheaper than traditional Intel chips. And the demand for data centers are increasing as the AI in demand is increasing year by year. The second reason is AMD is closing gap with NVIDIA and AI hardware, and their new GPUs MI325X are crushing it right now in the market. And I agree that NVIDIA is still ahead from AMD, but AMD is great for the companies who want fast processing at lower cost. So AMD is a great alternative. Now talking about the fundamentals, AMD overall revenue has been increased by 122% as compared to last year in data centers. And they have a lot of cash, which give them enough resources to keep innovating. And currently AMD is trading at lower prices as compared to their future potential earning. And as compared to NVIDIA, this is the great opportunity to buy AMD now. Now the last but not least stock is Palantir Technology, and it's currently trading at $82 per share. They came all the way from under $20 in the beginning of this year. And if I see any small dip in the stock, I will keep loading on it. So future is not about who builds more robot, but it's about who has more access to the data. And Palantir Technology has access to some of the rarest and some of the best data in the world because of their huge government contracts and partnership with big companies. And they are not just using AI, they are working on something called Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. And it's like a model that thinks like human and solve the problems like never before, that can literally outsmart human in analyzing of data. And talking about their revenue, it's 10x of the companies in the same field. And the stock might look expensive now, but in the future it will give you great returns. And Palantir reported revenue of 725.5 million. That's 30% increase year over year. That surpassed analyst expectation of 705 million. They also secured extension of contract with US Army for about $619 million that will support essential missions and enhance decision-making capability. So according to me, Palantir is a great stock to buy as they have amazing future. So these were the 4 stocks that can literally give you 30 to 40% of return easily. And if you find any value from this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.